What's up, guys? It's your boy FL2K23 and welcome to another banger. As you guys can see, got the truck, got the Mamalona, and the fucking trailer right here. But we're meeting up with the homies today. I'm actually supposed to meet them at the house, but I still got 2 hours left, and I just had to pick up the car and the trailer. So shout out again to Switchback Racing, man. Hendrix and Ryan, you guys are the fucking best. Excuse my French, but shout out to you guys. But yeah, so long story short, like I said, I don't want to talk you guys to death, but we are on the way right now. I'm probably just gonna call these guys and tell them like I meet them at the track, and then from there we'll go and do whatever else we got to do after the track. But like I said, man, super excited for today. See how everything goes. I don't know how the car is going to drive or react, so it's going to be our first time figuring that out as well. But yeah, with all that being said, man, let's get going. Let's hit the road. They're waiting on us, so let's get going. But I'm probably going to go ahead and just finish filling up, and then oh, I think it just actually got through filling up. But yeah, let's go ahead and get on the road. Almost there, guys, almost there. So guys, we have made it. We have fucking made it. So I got this super clean Viper right here. Dude, sick. So guys, so I got the boy Trash right here. Got the other homies over here. So finally came in. I finally got here. We actually showed up at the same time, so got both of the beasts out. Two fastest VQs out here right now. So yep, got the big boys out today. I don't have my drop pack on right now just because I just took it off the trailer and I got to get my spline key, so I don't have my drop pack on, but we're gonna go from there. So with all that doing spread, let's go ahead and go in because it's super hot out here and I need to find somebody that maybe can put these on for me. So let's go ahead and get going. So I'm not going to record too much, guys, just because it's so many cars out here and I don't want to like oversaturate the whole video with just a million cars. But I am going to get some of the like top dogs that I see, which is a bunch of them. But we got Leroy right here, 2.0. Never seen this one out here, but that's pretty sick. Yeah, I'm about to get one too. You want a drink? A beer? Or water? Yeah, I'm about to grab some. 2.0 is crazy, guys. It's insane. Hell yeah, bro. Hey, there we go. Good luck, bro. Bro, look at this car. It's like a show car, bro. It's like a race car, bro. Hey, beautiful car, man. Is it 2J? Yes, sir. Hey, whenever you don't want it, let me know. Out of Houston, Texas, and I mean extreme. Dang, clean Evo. Extreme front-wheel drive or X-Stream. Woo! I like it, I like it, I like it. You say he got the 8 second pass, 158 miles an hour, 1025 and 109 for Nelson in the Civic. I would say he's got himself an 8 second time left in his grasp. Here at FL2K 2023. Now this is it, bro. At our friends of the service market here. So I know all you guys know this car. It's one of those iconic cars I have to get on the page. So sick, man. The new setup is crazy. Badass build, brother. 826 at 170 for the Civic. You're like all fanboy. So hey guys, I know you know who this is.
What's up, guys?
Joanna Marie right here. Badass car. First time seeing it in person, so ready to see what it does, though. This thing is pretty sick. Heck yeah, dude. Gotta get this guy on camera, legend right here. Bro, this Supra is hard. There's so many dope cars around here. That's insane. All the CCO right here. That's insane. So I got my car right here. Got all the homies.
Yeah, that's good though. I'm gonna get some more.
Got fucking trash right here. Got my truck, trailer right here. So my girl actually fits in the job and get this out the way. Hopefully you guys can see. It's pretty dark outside, but everybody's out here today for sure. And then got my boy Nismo Renee right here. Clean as Z. Super mint. But yeah, probably when we get some better lighting, if we go to like a gas station or something like that, I'll show you guys a better quality video, like get more lighting. I'll do more recording, but as of right now it's pretty dark. So with that being said though, we're fixing to actually go to a car meet right now, so we're gonna see how it turns out. Right now my car don't have any lag, so boost hits late, so I'm gonna definitely struggle, but we'll see how it does. I don't have no seat time or anything, but we'll figure it all out. Look at this nigga over here scheming. Look at him.
What's going on, bro?
Tell him how much you really make, bro.
Trying to be like you, bro.
1,400 horsepower, bro. He just don't want to tell nobody. But he getting his shit already. His car's running flawless right now, so he should definitely get some dubs tonight. My car, I don't know. And then my boy Renee, his car should get some dubs too, so we'll figure it out. But see you guys in the next clip. I'll pick it up whenever we get there. Alright, so as you guys can see, we're at the car wash right now. So I just got this one all cleaned up, ready to go. Still not the cleanest, but clean enough. Got my boy Renee right here, clean ass whip. Now you guys can really see what it looks like. It looks fucking dope. Got the carbon hood. Jeez. Super simple and clean build. Like, if you guys know me, some of you do know me, and y'all know like I'm super simple and clean, bro. And like that shit is like simple and clean. I love it. Oh. You got this hole over here. You put tire shine on it?
Nah, just that washer.
Oh, I was like, what the fuck?
It doesn't by itself.
So yeah, we got the boys out today.
Because I didn't want to stay here in the back too long because of the plexiglass.
Oh yeah,
That's what I just ran through it. Yeah.
Oh, it'll leak through it?
No. It's because like that shit has halo pressures like.
Oh, beating on it.
I don't want it. Yeah, I don't want it. I don't want it to make myself.
What's up, guys? So finally made it out here. Seemed like a pretty good turnout. Some of the cars that's out here I did see at the track, so there's definitely some fast cars out here today. See some Hellcats, Scat Packs, pretty much everything you could think of is out here. So we might walk around and get a little bit of footage, but I ain't trying to drag this video out, so I don't know how long. But look at my boy Renee right there again, my boy Trash, and my car. So we decided to pull up front because we were in the back. So yeah, man, but let's see what type of action we get into tonight. That's probably be the only thing that I'll put in the video, and then I might record some cars here and there, but other than that, it's gonna try to keep it relatively short. I know you guys seem to like short videos better, so yeah. You too, my boy. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get them coins.
Botons.
You said Botan
Botons Camry 85.
Stop motor, supposedly.
It's nothing, man. I'm got a turbo 370.
Yeah, but them bitches work, bro.
600.
Yeah, my ass.
No, for real, dead ass.
Yeah, okay. Yo, he's He's making 400. He's making 400. You want to say you're making 600? He's gonna say he's making 400. That's decent.
Why don't you
Come on, man. Come on,
it's
man.
a Z, not a bet, bro.
Still, he gonna tell me you don't make power. Come on, man.
Haciendo 4 segundos en el drag, que si no sé qué.
Hombre, que eso corre, va a correr. Pero eso.
Yo corro por bien y a correr.
Le corremos 60, hagamos 60.
50, 150.
They're trying to get around with the bet too.
No me voy a agarrar.
Vamos a hacer los dos, 50.
La de 40, tú dices 60 a la mitad.
Y'all from out there too? Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, we gotta.
Cuenta por eso. 50, 150.
50, pero los dos carros tienen que salir. ¿Sí me entiendes?
I won.
A mí me cuesta, ¿sí me entiendes?
$100 bucks, bro.
The what?
$100 bucks.
Esa M3 bien doble.
I right. Hey, you do it 40? 60. 60.
He can't do 60 rolls.
Can't do
Why?
six at all.
It's an all-motor car, guys. Come on. Turbo, you're turbo.
Oh, motor.
You need turbo.
The Z06?
Yeah.
Hey, you gotta
Still.
Bro, I'm trying to get a 62
I don't
like.
have too much power to race a 60 rolls.
Bro, you're probably making 800, 900
Come
horsepower.
on.
40 rolls.
Start.
I'm stuck too. You just say you
He's stuck.
Exactly.
He's making 400 horsepower.
This guy.
Come on, man. He's making 600, so you can't tell me he's making no.
Okay, how much you think he made? Since you don't believe it, how much you think he made?
What's up? I'll give you the
I want to hear. How much you think he made?
I'll give you the hit for over 800 horsepower.
Das.
give me a hit on 60.
Alright, wanna put money? Put the dyno. We'll get the dyno.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Put on the dyno. Let's put the dyno.
Let's do it.
I don't believe it.
How much you want to bet?
Nobody's gonna say the truth.
How much you want to bet on
It doesn't
Dino?
make 600. I bet you 1,000 it doesn't make 600.
40,
bet.
140 and 60 to 160.
Bro.
Yeah, 40 to 140 is
But how are we gonna determine that?
Yo, do 100 a run, 100 a run, 100 a run.
Yeah.
makes no sense.
Well, I mean, because they don't want to go more than 100.
Like, bro, I didn't make no fucking
Bro,
They don't want to go more than 100.
You get them on the 42. Do 100 every run.
Yes, guys. I know it ain't much, but
That's 200. Yeah.
better than free run. Yeah,
Bro, I promise.
Alright, fuck it, hey.
He'll say 60 to 160 for free. 40 to 140 for money.
They said we got too much money in these cars,
That's what he
bro.
wants to do. I mean, he can't run.
He just said he'll give me the
40 to 140 for money.
Let him talk. Yo.
That's what he just said.
Alright, let's do this.
No, not for money.
40 to 140 for 200.
Stop C7, bro.
No, it's not. You gotta say it was full bowl time.
You scared of a family again? Why you scared of 40 to 140?
With money, 200.
Okay, 200.
Alright, bet. Let's do it.
40 to 140. No, come on.
Am I 60 to 160?
No, 40 to 140.
Whatever you want. 40 to 140.
And what
60
car?
round. You want a 60 round?
And what car?
He's in the C7.
What's that? Talking about an LA car?
Nah, that's the red one. That's for
That's the black one right there.
my other
This is
boy.
the black one. 40
Yeah.
to 140.
You want 40 to 140.
For money.
Where the nigga go?
60 for fun.
You can do a 60 in a bed?
He said 50 to 150, 100 is off.
You can't do a 60 in a bed? I don't have room with you guys. That's up to you.
I'm gonna see. Where it's at? Where it's at?
Hey,
40 all the way to 160. He's giving you that. He's giving you roll. He's giving you for the roll.
You do 100.
Yo, he's giving you roll, bro.
Or 50 to 150. You want it.
Whatever your strongest roll, fuck it.
Why can't we just do
Halfway, 50 to 150. That's it. Come on, man. You want 160, you want 140, 150. Halfway, take it or leave it.
That's good.
Yeah, take it or leave it.
That's middle.
But
You
nah.
got, that's middle. Let's
Yo,
do it.
50 pretty good?
Let's do it.
50 pretty good?
50 to 150.
You all got free boost,
Ya,
free
ni
live.
para 50 no se corre ya.
Yo, anybody want to do side bets?
Huh?
Anybody want to do side bets? I got him.
Hey, chase it.
Dímelo.
Who's racing?
He got a M.
That one in the black
versus,
C7.
C7.
And then
M3 versus C7. I got the M.
M3 versus 064.
Wanna do a side bet?
What 370?
No.
no, it's an M. BMW. Yeah.
What's on your
Stock. He just Bolton. He's Bolton.
And then that red vet, wherever he at. Oh, they about to go right now? Let's go Walnut.
It's not like everybody's gonna see that.
Fuck, he left? Fuck. it's spinning on top, bro. That was the top of third at like fucking 90 miles an hour, just roasting.
That's ridiculous.
How does it feel though, honestly?
It feels good, but it's just spinning.
Yep. Alright guys, as you can see, now we are at like a rooftop parking garage. Hopefully you guys can hear me because my car loud as fuck. But with all that being said, it's only us three left. My boy Renee, me, and then my other homie Mari right there. Y'all make sure to go check him out. He's the one that we did the fun run with in the Beamer right here. So, but yeah, we're all probably about to call it a night, and probably all show up at the track tomorrow. So that'll be the end of this video right here. With all that being said, man, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you go fucking like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and try to help your boy run them likes and views up, man. So trying to get these bangers knocked out for you guys, so make sure you guys go like and comment, man. So with all that being said, see y'all in the next one. I'm out. Peace.